Hello friends, welcome to a new video from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. My name is Stan. In this video today, I'm going to talk about how you can create a new YouTube account in 2023. Okay, we're going to create a new channel using a brand new email ID that I've created a couple of days ago, and I'm going to show you the entire process in this particular video. So the first step is to go to YouTube. You can see I've already logged into YouTube. Now I've logged out of YouTube and you can see this is how it's looking. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to click on sign in here. And then I'm going to use this latest email ID that I've created. And here I have to enter its password. Then click on next. So you can see this is how the first screen looks like when you try to open a new YouTube channel or new YouTube account. Okay, so they're asking you to add your home address and sign up to get useful tips and updates. You don't need these things right now. Also, you can add those things later on in your Google account directly as well. Okay, so I'll click on not now for this purpose. Now you can see your default YouTube account has been created. So we come here, you can see this is your account. However, even after creating the account, your channel is not yet created. Okay, the channel is not yet ready. To create a channel, you have to come here and click on create a channel, or you can go to settings. Here also you'll find the same option of creating a channel. So let's click on this channel here. Now it will show you how your channel is going to look like. So this is your logo, the same logo that I've put on my Google account earlier. Okay, you can change the logo if you want to, but I'm going to use the same one. Then this is the name of my channel, and the handle of the channel is also provided here. So if the name is something common and the handle is not available, then you can change it here. Okay, or I'm going to continue with whatever I'm having right now. So this unique name and the handle is also available as of now. So I'll click on create channel. Also, if you want, you can read the terms of services from here as well. Alright, now you can see my channel has been created. Okay, so everything looks good, but then I do not see the profile picture. I don't have the banner and all. So I'm going to update those now. So you can click on this more about this channel. You can see the logo has come, but nothing else has come. So I'll click on customize channel. It says welcome to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has personalized insights, the latest news and insider tips, analytics and more. Okay, now they're going to take you through the YouTube Studio, how it looks. Okay, and it says it's in dark mode, so I'll close it. Playlists are added to the content. So these updates you must already know if you are regular on YouTube, but then I'm talking about somebody who has just created a new channel right now. So there are some things that you can add, like a channel trailer, featured video. Okay, these things are not there because I've not added any content. I've just created the channel. Okay, again you can customize your channel by your short videos or the playlists that you make. Okay, you can add those things here as well. So that's something you can do later. I'll click on view channel from here, and you can see this is how my channel is looking. Okay, so it's the same thing that it was earlier. So I'll just close this. Now here in channel customization, if you see, there is another tab called branding. Let's go to that tab, and here you can see there are a couple of options. First is the picture. The picture is your logo, which is already there. They have taken it from my Google account. Okay, then there is something called banner image. The banner image is something which comes on the top of your YouTube channel, and you need a 2048 by 1152 pixels image for the banner. Okay, and it has to be 6 MB or less in size. So I have actually created the banner already using Canva. If you want a separate video on that, I can create it and I can show you how I created that particular YouTube banner. Okay, so that's a different thing. Let's see how we're going to upload that banner. So I'll click on upload. I'm going to go to the place where I've kept the banner. it's on my desktop, and I'll select the banner from here, click on open, and you can see that it is showing me what all will be visible from the banner. Okay, this is the entire thing. If you're opening your YouTube channel on a TV, you can see here it's written viewable on TV. This is how it will look. Okay, if you're watching the same YouTube channel on desktop, then it will look like this. Okay, desktop computer or laptop computer, it will look like this. On all other device, at least this much will be always visible. Okay, so when you are making the banner, ensure that your main content, okay, the most important thing that you want to show, falls inside this area. Okay, so you can see the name of my channel, the tagline, or you can say the message that I wanted to share, everything is falling inside this box. Okay, so this is a trick that you need to remember when you create your banner. All right, so I'll click on done, and you can see the banner has been added. Okay, next is watermark. Now watermark is something which you would want to showcase on your videos. Okay, when somebody watches the video, you can see here on this side. So it's an image that's 150 by 150 pixel. However, it can be little bigger in size as well, but it should not be more than 1 MB in size. So let's see if we can upload one. So I'm going to use this one from here. So this is the the transparent logo that I have for this channel. I click on done, and you can see it has come here. It's showing TM, which means trans mindset. Okay, so the next option that you see here is the display time. Do you want to show this watermark only at the end of the video, or you have some custom start time like 5 seconds, it will start at that time, or you want it to be on the entire video? I normally choose entire video, but you're free to choose any of this. For more information, you can click on this and learn more about it. Okay, so I'm going to select entire video, and then I'll go and click on publish. Once it is published, you can see here it's written changes published. You can go to channel, or you can click on view channel from here, and now your channel will look like this. If you open the same channel on TV, you can see the entire banner. Okay, so I've shown you how to create a new YouTube account using a Google email that you have created recently, and then I've also shown you how to create a YouTube channel, okay, and add a profile picture and a YouTube banner. So that's all I have in this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you like this kind of content, subscribe and stay together. Thanks a lot for watching.